Hey, my name is Samiha,
And my name is Jaime.
and here is our related rates nail polish project. Some of the materials I have used were a glass bottle, foam board, some beads, paper, glue, and paint. For the first step, let's construct the base tray. We will do this by cutting out 4 long strips of paper that will act as edges around our little tray. Here we are connecting the edges to our tray. Here is how the tray should look when all the edges are finally connected. Now it's time to turn the cork of the bottle into a nail polish handle. We will do so by cutting off the tip of a brush, painting the cork black, and by painting the brush black. What we are doing now is filling up our glass bottle with some beads. These beads will mimic nail polish and are really satisfying to fill up the bottle with. Eventually, we decided to be much more time efficient by just dumping out all the beads onto a piece of paper. Then we used another piece of paper to funnel in all the beads into the bottle. This is how our bottle looks with all of our beads. How mesmerizing! Now we made a label for our nail polish bottle. Now we are gluing the brush to the cork that we painted earlier. This is what our finished makeshift nail polish bottle looks like. What we did now is glue another piece of paper into the inside of the bottle to act as a spout when the beads fall out. We are doing so by gluing the tip of the triangular paper to the inside of the bottle. Then we closed up the bottle by inserting our homemade nail polish handle. Here we are gluing the spout down to the tray and making sure that it is firmly pressed on. Now here we are gluing down some border edges alongside our spout to further contain the beads when they spill out of the bottle. This is how we perfectly align the edges with the bottle. This is how it should look when all of the edges are attached alongside the spout. Now we are securely gluing down our nail polish bottle down to the tray. It's now time to cut out some labels to glue down to the project. What we did now is that we let the beads spill out until it slowed down. Then with a marker, we marked the equilibrium point at the height at which the beads stopped spilling out. And then we decided to add some extra support edges right in between the bottle and the spout to further contain the beads in. Here are some even more edges that we added alongside the spout. And here are all of the labels attached. Here's how our finished model looks like. It is now time to solve the related rates nail polish problem.
A rectangular nail polish bottle has been tipped over. Its dimensions when tipped on its side are 5 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters tall. Since the bottle is see-through, you notice the height of the nail polish contents is dripping out at 0.7 centimeters squared per second from the top of the bottle up until it hits equilibrium at the middle of the bottle. How fast is the volume of the nail polish changing?
Here's how to solve the related rates problem. So we know that the rate at which the nail polish spills out is negative 0.7 centimeters squared per second, and that the dimensions are 5 centimeters by 2 by 3. What we don't know is dV over dt, which is what we're trying to find. So the equation of volume for rectangle is length times width times height, and we know length and width is 5, and 2, but we kept h constant since it's going to change. And then the end equation is v equals 10 times the height. Okay, we will differentiate both sides of the equation and solve for the wanted rate, which is dv over dt. We will do this by applying product rule and plugging in the known values. If we do this, then we will get 10 centimeters times negative 0.7 centimeters squared per second. And then finally, the change of volume as the nail polish drips out will be negative 7 centimeters cubed per second. The overall solution of the problem is the volume of the nail polish is decreasing at 7 centimeters cubed per second.
Thanks for watching.